In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva on your Squarespace website. We'll walk through the full process, from exporting your design in Canva to placing it exactly where you want it on your Squarespace page. By the end, you'll be able to confidently take anything you've created in Canva and display it on your site. Start by opening the Canva design you want to use. Make sure you're in the Canva editor, looking at the final version of your design. Take a moment here to make any last edits, like adjusting text, colors, or spacing, because once you export it, you'll need to come back to Canva to make further changes. When you're happy with your design, move your attention to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click on the Share button. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Download. This is where you'll decide what file type to use. For most still images, PNG or JPG works well. If you've created a simple animation or a moving graphic, you might choose GIF. For longer motion designs or anything with video or sound, select MP4. Below the file type, you'll see additional settings. These might include size, quality, or background options depending on your design and chosen format. Adjust these as needed to balance quality and file size. When everything looks good, click Download and wait for Canva to finish processing and saving the file to your computer. Next, open your browser and log into your Squarespace account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look to the top right and click Edit Site. You'll see a larger preview of your website. At the top left of this preview, click Edit again to open the page inside the Squarespace editor. Now scroll or navigate to the section where you want to add your Canva design. Hover your mouse over that area until you see the option to add a block. Then click Add Block. A panel will appear with different block types. Choose Image if you're uploading a still image or GIF, and choose Video if your Canva export is an MP4 file. After you've added the block, you can resize it using the handles around its edges and drag it to reposition it within the section. When the block is selected, click the plus icon inside it and choose Upload File. This will open your computer's file browser. Find the Canva file you just downloaded, select it, and confirm. Wait for the upload to complete. Once it's fully uploaded, your Canva design will appear right on your Squarespace page, ready for you to preview and publish. And that's it.